Here's a look at this day in history. January 7th.
In 1610, Italian astronomer Galileo first observed on this day in 1959, the United States recognized the new government of Cuba, headed by Fidel Castro, but relations between the two countries would soon sour. In 1999, an impeachment trial began in the Senate. President Bill Clinton was charged with perjury and obstruction of justice. He was later acquitted. And on this date in 1789, America's Electoral College was voted into existence. Presidential candidates could not reach the country's isolated citizenship. So each of the 13 states elected an electoral college that would vote for president. 1 month later, the 69 electors voted in George Washington. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Ariana
and Lily
bringing your morning announcement
on WDMS News.
Today is Wednesday, January 7th, 2015, B-Day.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. I am safe, I am respectful, and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Today's math problem is, Shelly's cat gave birth to 6 kittens. She owned Y cats before the birth of the kittens. Write an expression that represents the total number of cats Shelly has after the birth of the kittens. Please let your math teacher know if you can solve it.
Now here's Layla with today's weather.
It was 14 degrees this morning. It will be windy and very cold today with a high of 26 degrees. We can expect also a possible snow shower. Here's the weather for the remainder of the week. Now back to Ariana and Lily.
Today's word, now the word of the day. Today's word of the day is burden. Burden means weighed down, oppressive load. A burden sounds like bird N, and so in today's cartoon, the caption reads, "The big N was a burden." Okay. That was yesterday's. Now today's word of the day is rage. Rage means violent, explosive anger. Rage sounds like cage, and so in today's cartoon, the caption reads, "Oscar pages when put into cages." Once again, today's word of the day is rage. Okay.
Help DMS with money and prizes by donating broken writing utensils to the TerraCycle box in the cafeteria.
Drama Club will meet after school on Thursday this week. The entire cast needs to plan to stay that day. Please join us for an early college awareness dinner on Thursday, January 15th at Goucher College, on Thursday, February 15th at Stevenson University. That would be the 5th of February at Stevenson University. A free dinner will be served at 5:30 p.m. and a college preparation program will begin at 6:15 p.m. The program is designed to provide students and parents with information to plan ahead for college. Topics will include high school requirements for college applications, scholarships, and financial aid. This promises to be very informative and tasty evening, so please see a counselor for an invitation. RSVPs are due in the counseling office by January 12, 2015.
Now for the words of wisdom. Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Ariana with a few words of wisdom. Janet Collins was a prima ballerina and the first black artist to perform on stage at the Metropolitan Opera House in New York. She was very disciplined and worked hard to become one of the first ballerinas ever. Now listen to what she has to say to us today. There is no such thing as freedom without discipline. The one who is free is disciplined. So what does discipline have to do with freedom? Well, let's think about that. Having self-discipline means having self-control, right? If you know how to control yourself, your thoughts, your words, and your actions, then someone else won't have to do that job for you. People who are self-disciplined don't need someone else looking over their shoulders at times and telling them what to do. What do you think? Doesn't that sound like more freedom to you? With something to think about, this is Ariana. Make it a great day or not. Choice is yours.
Now here's Mr. Barish.
Now, notice the change in today's schedule.
All right. Didn't see that.
Keep it for a few seconds. Okay.
Now here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Team DMS. I want to, as you see the schedule for today, it's a 2-hour delay. Teachers, that schedule has also been emailed to you by Miss Paula in the front office. Please review that and also make sure you have it visible and posted for students to know. Again, we are going to be following an abbreviated 2-hour delay schedule. We will see every one of our classes today, students and teachers. They just will be abbreviated. Also, students, any students who were absent on Monday who did not receive a January newsletter, please see your homeroom teacher to make sure that you receive a copy. There's a lot of important information in upcoming calendar dates in January and then also in the near future in February. So please make sure you review that and it gets home to your parents. Again, important information in the January newsletter. Also want to thank all of our students who came back to school ready to learn on Monday. Even though we had a snow day and a 2-hour delay, I'm confident that today we are going to hit the books hard and go back to our focus, which is to move forward towards academic excellence at Dundalk Middle School. 94% of you came to school on Monday, and I'm proud that you were able to make it. In the course of November, over the course of November and December, our attendance fell below the state satisfactory level of 94%. So I do challenge every student in this building to make sure you are here on a regular basis. You can't be successful in school and you can't be successful in life if you don't go to school every day and then when you have your job and your career and you don't go on a regular basis. So it's very important that you come to school on a regular basis and you demonstrate consistent, excellent attendance. I want to also share with students and staff that this Friday's Super Fun Day is going to be canceled. Again, this Friday's Super Fun Day is going to be canceled. We will be having a dance later in this month, but this Friday, again, there will not be a Super Fun Day. Also, just want to remind all students and staff that we are going to be having Dr. Marshall Scott, Assistant Superintendent of Middle Schools. He's going to be joining us. He's scheduled to join us tomorrow for the school day. I am confident that Dr. Scott will see an excellent instructional program where students are learning in a positive and safe environment. So again, just a reminder that Dr. Scott is scheduled to be with us for the day tomorrow for a whole day visit at Dundalk Middle School. Great opportunity to showcase why Dundalk Middle School is moving forward and moving from a good school to a great school. And that's because of the great students and wonderful staff that we have here. Remember, students, it starts with coming to school every day, demonstrating a positive attitude and applying yourself, and as part of Team DMS, we'll do whatever it takes to educate and inspire you to become globally competitive graduates. What's going to separate you from other students and young adults around the world? Remember, one day after college, you want to have a career, not just a job. You want to be able to have a career, something that you want to do. Let's make it a great day today, DMS. Thank you. Now back to Lily and Ariana.
This is Lily.
And Ariana, have a wonderful Wednesday.